Come on, Avery. Show us how you walk. Come on. Only 9 months. Our little genius. Oh. right on cue. You can do it. Jared, will you help him up? Here he comes. But, oh, we're stuck. That's so cute. Now see if you can walk without it too.
He's cruising now.
He's all crash.
Yeah, let me see. Come here, Buzz.
See if you can walk without it now.
It's okay.
Come on. Show us what you do. Just kind of tap him like you did. He'll start going. There. He's going. You're doing it. See. Come on. Keep going. Oh, all done. He's getting tired. Good boy.